guys, welcome to Vodafone Young Coders channel. Now today we are going to get to know some attributes of HTML. We've seen few HTML tags and their usage, like heading, paragraph, and other tags. We use them so far in the simple form, but most of the HTML tags can also have attributes, which are extra bits of information. An attribute is used to define the characteristics of an HTML element and is placed inside the element opening tag. All attributes are made up of two parts: a name and a value. The name is the property you want to set. For instance, the paragraph, that's the p tag element. In the example, carries an attribute whose name is align, which you can use to indicate the alignments of paragraph on the page. Now, the value is also what you want the value of the property to be set, and always put within qualities. Example: left, center, and right. These two are case sensitive. So without wasting my time, let's go back to our computer. So as I said in the video, we are going to do some small practice of the attribute of our HTML tags. So let's try some practice. Now, this was way that we just did in the other video. So we're going to create a new file and we're going to name it attributes HTML. Save it on the desktop. Then open up basic HTML tags. We'll name it attributes. So here we use my paragraph tag, and then I'll type in a sentence. Now when I open, that's, you see, that's the word how you doing. So we are going to give a big tag here and another big tag here, and give another. We are going to give another. So the break tag makes our work spacious and nice, so you can see there are lots of space. Now we are going to start with the left attributes. So we are going to give you align is equal to, we are going to make it left, save it, then pause, set the left section so it will still remain there, and then here we're going to give align to be, I'm going to do the center attribute. So center, save it, let's refresh it. I can see it has indent in the center form. And the last one, I'm going to give it an attribute of right. Yes, so we save that also and then refresh. I can see that one also moved to the right section. Now let's open one so I see very clearly. Now that's it. See how it looks like. So guys, that's it for this video. And the next video I'm going to look at some core attributes. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and comment Also subscribe if you're a new person here on YouTube. Check also my previous watch my previous tutorial so that you not get confused and not get stuck behind. So with this, we are going to leave no stone unturned. So for any suggestions, you can give it in the comment area or email me directly. Thank you very much for watching my video. See you next time.